All right, so let's talk about the LinkedIn profile optimization strategy. So here's the thing. Most people are not interested in reading an online version of your resume because oftentimes what happens is that once you actually create a LinkedIn profile and you put your job, if you've never created a profile, it's going to have like your title, like CEO or founder or whatever, and then you're going to have like your summary there, essentially stating your accomplishments as a resume. People don't really want to just read an online version of your resume. What they do want to know is who you are, what product or service you can provide them, and how you can help them achieve their goals, right? Get them a desired outcome. And in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to create a LinkedIn profile that will get you noticed and get you to increase your lead flow of prospects that are actually interested in speaking with you, engaging with you, and actually potentially doing business with you. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to have a professional photo headshot. You want to make sure that it looks something like this. You don't want to have you hanging out at the club or at the bar. You don't want to have it so that you have a lot of stuff in your background. You don't want to have it so that it doesn't look professional. And I can even go over here real quick to show you mine. Let's just go right here. Let's go to view profile. And this is essentially my photo here, right? I mean, it's super simple, right? You can see the background is blue. It's actually the ocean. And it's just a simple headshot, okay? And this is how you want it to look because it's very professional. There's not anything in the background, and it's not distracting in any way. So let's go back. Okay, so the profile headshot, I want to make sure this is professional. I would even pay for this to get set up for you. Pay for some photos because it's going to pay off in the long run. People are going to treat you as a professional, right, and show you that respect when you present yourself that way. Okay, so then you want to create a custom profile banner, and you can easily create these through Canva for free. As you can see with mine, let me go over here. Mine's super simple. Mine just says ready to take your business to the next level, and then I have a nice image in the background. But you can make these a lot more nicer if you want. I just like mine because it's nice and simple, straight to the point. I wouldn't make it too kind of out there where it's kind of distracting. You just want to make it so that it catches people's eyes and lets them know that you're serious and you're professional about your profile on LinkedIn. So make sure that you have a professional banner there stating maybe a punchline or a headline of what you do. Again, you don't want it to be super distracting. You just want to make it so that it stands out.